أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Mr. Speaker and honorable members here present, my distinguished colleagues, the senior comrades here present, I'm here to represent KRY Initiative Forum. KRY Initiative Forum is a non-partisan, non-profit organization which is working towards the development of education, health, environment, and the socio-economic in KRY local government. During our meeting on the 1st December 2023, the forum resolved to present the following project as community or citizen input in the 2024 appropriation budget for the development of our community. Number one, ICT. We are appealing to the Kano State government to construct an ICT center in KRY local government, being an emirate headquarters, emirate council, which will enable the students from KRY, Robo, Kiru, and Gorzo local government to benefit from it. Number two, water. We strongly appeal to the state government to kindly come into our aid to ensure that it evacuates Kusala Dam, being it is the main source of our tap water. People from KRY, Kiru, and Gorzo local government are benefiting from that Kusala Dam. So we want the state government strongly to come into our aid to ensure that it evacuates the dam, then it is important to this community. Number three, environment. There is need for the state government to come to our aid also in constructing a very big drainage and culvert along Kiru Road, adjacent Alhaji Isa Ilyasu, Katukan KRY residence, opposite Alayna Surat Allah Viewing Center. People in that area, that is Gangaran MTN or Gangaran service, are find themselves into very difficult accessing road during rainy season. So we are appealing to this honorable house to kindly to ensure that this project to reflect in the 2024 appropriation, being it is very important to this community. Then number four, road. There is one ongoing project which is worrying the people of KRY, Kabu, and Rogo respectively. That is the road started from BUK side, Kabu, KRY to Rogo local government. Please, we urge this honorable house to kindly to ensure that this project will be completed in the next 2 to 3 years coming. Then number five, the issue of welfare, sir, Mr. Chairman, the issue of welfare. Ranke dai akwai abubuwa da suka taso wanda muna son gwamnati ta kafa wani tarihi. Gwamnatin Kwankwaso ta kafa tarihi na zuba wato motoci a cikin birni, ana ɗiban ɗalibai da sassafe a kai su makarantu. To yanzu a ƙauyuka an sami development on education. Mutanen ƙauyuka daga cikin lunguna sun karɓi harkar ilimi, musamman ilimin 'ya'ya mata. Amma matsalar da ake samu ranka yadda za a ga ɗaliban gasu da safe sun fito tsakaninsu da makaranta yana kai wajen awa ɗaya ko kilomita 5, kilomita 6, amma ba za su iya zuwa makaranta ba, sai suka yi 12 rana ba su makaranta ba. Thank you very much. Thank you, KRY Senator.